This region is between Spanish, Florida, and the Middle Colonies. Have you ever wanted to become rich? Have you ever want to live in hot weather? Then come here for free by becoming an adventurous servant for just a couple years. After that, you can own land here or farms, have a medium to high income, and have a medium social status. The soil here is great, right to grow cash crops in high demand. If you get enough money, you could become a plantation owner, own slaves, be rich, and have a very high social status. People who live here are large landowners, farmers, indentured servants, and more. Some of these important people are Thomas Jefferson and George Washington.
Specializations in this region are tobacco, cotton, indigo. All three of these specializations are very important because if you decide to be a farmer, you made the perfect choice because this area is made for you. But you need to be an indentured servant for a couple of years, and when you are finished, the choice is yours. You can decide what to be. In the southern colonies, they depend on other regions too, like we depend on New England for boats and fish. If you don't have these items, come here because we got your back. And we rely on the Caribbean for sugar, and we rely on England for manufactured goods. Come here, everything is cheap here. Like how we depend on other regions, we depend on you like this.
Do you like hot and humid summers, mild winters, and flat, fertile soil? Then the southern colonies is for you.
The southern colonies are divided into counties. Each county has a loyal governor that has a law that keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching our ad about the southern colonies.